Today we're gonna try snacks from Costa Rica.
Good morning. So yeah, today we're gonna get some snacks that are from Costa Rica or maybe only sold in Costa Rica from other countries. We're gonna go to the store. We got 20,000 colones thanks to our Patreon supporters. So we're here at Iguana Verde. This is the store that's the closest to Sea Casa, and see what they have for snacks. Excited to have some snacks?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's start with the chocolate first because it'll melt. So it's a milk chocolate with almonds. Exciting. It's already melting. You might have to eat this one, babe. It's soft already.
Should I eat all of it?
Yeah. Bang.
That's really good.
Yeah. It's like Costa Rican chocolate too.
I really like that one.
Here. Dark chocolate covered pineapple jelly. Brit makes coffee in Costa Rica and they also do chocolates. I don't want them to know. It doesn't smell very good.
They just smell like pineapple chocolate. Okay.
Alright.
I taste the pineapple.
It's weird having the pineapple and the chocolate.
Yeah. I can really taste the pineapple, but... Yeah.
I don't know what these are. It's like a bread donut or something like that.
They smell okay.
Take one.
Not bad. They're not spicy though.
Oh, they have like a candy coating on them.
They taste like a lot like sugar.
Mm-hmm. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Looks like a pretzel.
Like kind of stale too. It's weird. But it's not stale, but it seems stale. I don't really like it.
You don't?
No.
Can I put it back?
No, I'll put it back in. Just throw it around.
What?
Birds will eat it. Elotitos. What are they, like kind of corn nut or something?
Yeah, I picked those out. That one.
You wanted spicy things? Here, I'm gonna put it in your hand.
Let's try.
Oh.
Oh my days. There's so much.
Just corn nuts.
They're good though.
Yeah.
I like the spiciness to it. Let's try this. This?
That one?
Yeah, because it's gonna melt, right?
It's kind of like the Hostess things. Dalmata.
That actually really looks good.
Oh, it's a big log.
That's what it looks like.
Ooh. You guys can have that one. I don't want to eat that one.
You don't?
Just take a bite of it.
Here, take it out. Oh my. It's like melting.
Is it good? It's kind of like a Twinkie with like icing on the outside. Okay, what one do you want to do next, Lakai?
Should use a try. Try something.
Which one?
Let's try this. So it doesn't
One of those?
melt. Yeah. You should try the chocolates first.
So it's like a king dong. I think that's what they're called. Is that what they were? Ding dong, not king dong? Shayna said I'm a ding dong.
Oh, I think I've tried these before, but
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
Exactly what it is. Look, each take a bite. No, it's one of the same thing.
It's good. It's like chocolate.
You want any more?
It looks like the biggest one.
These ones I'm not even gonna open. They're Chickies, a pretty popular cookie in Costa Rica. The boys take them in their lunch all the time.
Yeah.
It's just like a cookie with a chocolate bottom on them, and then they have different flavors like strawberry. What's the one you like? Cappuccino.
Cappuccino and there's like mint.
And mint, yeah. So those are, you'll see those everywhere in Costa Rica.
Cappuccino has coffee.
And then same as these, they're kind of like a Ritz cracker, and boys take these in their lunch too. So this one has a white cheddar filling inside of it. So I think we've had those ones
Yeah,
before.
there's also like a ranch kind of it.
Yeah.
It has ranch in it.
And there's a pineapple one too, which is kind of weird. It's like pineapple filling in a cracker. So this is these chips they sell in like the small ones, and they also sell them in the big bags as well. And you'll see them everywhere. They're like a Dorito basically, or almost, yeah. I think it's kind of like a Dorito, but kind of like the old Dutch version of them. I can't remember what they're called, but the Ariba, yeah. So these are a spicy one, and then this is just a normal nacho cheese one. So
I prefer the spicy one.
I like the spicy ones better too. Yeah, these spicy ones are better.
This one's not the spicy one. This one is the spicy.
Yeah. Which one do you like better, Lakai? Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever you see picante on a bag, that means spicy.
Okay,
These
we'll
are
have to see.
I don't know how to say that.
Taquieritos, I think that's how you say it.
How do you say it?
Taquieritos.
Taquieritos? Taquieritos. They're like a little taquito curled corn chip or something like that has seasoning on it. These are hot barbecue. I've had these ones before. They're good. I got a coin.
Oh, you got a coin?
Do we win?
I think.
We want to switch. But yeah, they're just like a little taquito. You get one?
I'm gonna try one.
I tried one for mine.
You like them?
Mine didn't have a coin. Okay, we should just go back and see.
It tastes weird at first, but then after
They're good.
a bit. Okay.
Do this one?
Yeah.
They're like caramel covered corn nuts. Never had these ones, have you?
Or corn nuts. No.
Oh no. They're like, not corn nuts, they're like,
Beans or something.
They're like,
yeah, it's like puffed wheat.
yeah.
But covered with carrots. It's like caramel popcorn, I guess. But it's,
I like it.
I don't know. It's like, what does it remind me of? You should try it.
Here. Try.
It's like a sugar crisp or something.
Okay, we should.
It's a cereal.
Yeah, it's like brown sugary puffed wheat. They're good.
Yeah, they are.
Wait.
It'd be good like watching a movie or something, have these instead of popcorn.
I picked this one.
That one?
Not good.
Oh, the Submarinos. Costa Rica's Twinkie. You want one of these? You want more of those? Shayna likes the puffed wheat.
Whatever.
So yeah, it's just a
Wait, no,
Twinkie.
can I go get that really quick?
What?
That coin. Picture?
Yeah, go get it. Here, take it. You just finish it.
Look, Kai, do you want to try it or not?
Yeah, I'm going to.
A few different brands have pork rinds or chicharrones here in a bag. This one is a new one we haven't seen. Don't know if it has a flavor or anything or if it's just salt.
It's chocolate.
They're pretty good.
Okay.
I like them a lot.
I like those ones because they're like not flavored.
Like in the.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh yeah.
Those.
Okay, let's try these yuca chips. Sour cream and onion.
Sour cream and onion yucca chips. So you'll see these quite a bit in Costa Rica as well. Instead of potato chips, they make them out of yucca, which is a root vegetable, and they're really good. had them before.
No.
So they're just like a thin potato chip kind of texture.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
remember.
Oh, what is that?
Sponge cookie.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob square cookie.
What is?
So it just looks like that.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey,
Well, you should steal one. Share that one.
Here, take a bite, and I'll take a bite. Is it good?
It was pretty good. So there's 4 of those the same size, and it was 250 colones, which works out to about 50 cents for 4 of them. Choco rolls, so it's like a chocolate roll, and it has pineapple in the middle of it. I don't know what's with chocolate and pineapple here, but it tastes
More
pretty good.
pineapple.
Let's see how this one is.
That was
Won't even come out of the bag. So yeah, it's just like a chocolate roll. Kai really wants this one. It's actually good, that one. You guys can finish that one. So it's got like a icing and a pineapple in the middle.
that one.
What's the rest?
You like chocolate, don't you? Just jams it in there. Gimbal, which makes like all the breads here. I don't know if they're actually made in Costa Rica.
I think they are.
I think they are. But so this is a brownie that they make. Chocolate brownie. Again, 350 colones, so maybe 60 cents or something.
Is it good?
Oh. So it's just a brownie. But it's like, I don't know, it's nice and soft. It's not hard and like kind of crusty. So these are a lime plantain chip. So you'll see a lot of plantain chips here as well.
Because
And
people like a lot of them.
they do, yeah. So you'll get plantains like when you order a casado. A lot of times they'll have the plantain that's all charred, caramelized, and then they have these as well.
Did you try
These are the best plantain chips I've ever tried in Costa Rica.
Are they? Shayna's got to try them too.
Enough snacks.
Can I have another one?
Those,
Good.
Those ones are good
those are literally the best ones I've had in Costa Rica.
because of the lime. Jaden likes lime stuff. Well, was that fun?
What's your favorite?
What's your favorite snack?
I like the either these or those this bag right here.
This one?
I
I thought you liked the spicy one.
Oh yeah, the spicy one, but like this and this is my favorite.
Out of all the snacks we had, those are your 2 favorite? Yeah?
And the yuca, and the yuca.
What about, Lakai, you gotta pick what was your favorite? He has a major sweet tooth. Those are your favorites out of all of them?
Yeah, this and this.
Would you recommend those to everybody that's watching? Yeah. What was your favorite? Out of the, what, you had 3? Yeah. Do you want to try one of these? These do.
I'm gonna put those back.
My favorite was all of them.
I remember.
Just
I
not
took a
all at the
bite
same
of that.
time. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed us eating some snacks, and you know which ones to go for when you do come to Costa Rica. We just thought it'd be a fun video to put together for everybody, and they really wanted to eat snacks. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.